Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell Shiba on Binance. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on this search bar in the top. In the search bar, you simply need to type Shiba and after that, you need to tap on the search icon. Once done, you are able to find a bunch of different Shiba pairs such as Shiba USDT, Shiba FD USD, Shiba TUSD. Now among these pairs, you will have to select that particular pair in which you want to receive the payment after selling Shiba. As I want to get USDT after selling my Shiba, I will select SHIB/USDT pair. Once done, you are going to see this sell button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you simply need to tap on sell and after that you will be redirected on this marketplace. Now over here you will have to select the amount of price at which you want to sell your Shiba Inu. After that you will have to enter the amount of total Shiba Inu coins that you want to sell and then it will show you how much USDT you are going to get if you sell this much amount of Shiba Inu. You can even use this slider in order to select the percentage of Shiba Inu and then it will show you how much USDT you are going to get. Once done, you will have to tap on this Sell SHIB button and then your order will be placed, and whenever the price hits at the price that you have selected, you are going to receive USDT in your account as you have successfully sold Shiba Inu on Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.